With the election almost here, I keep getting asked questions about class size in education. So I thought I'd address it today before you make your decision if you haven't already. The debate over classroom size never ceases to amaze me. It comes at me from many different directions. As a professor, the discussion is about how to manage and keep engaged large classes, say those more than 50 in a class. As a classroom teachers, we're arguing over whether it's worth the money to keep our classes down to maybe 24 students. Teachers know the importance of small class size, and I think parents do too. No one wants to spend the money to do what we know is best, though. The argument goes like this. In order to have smaller classes, we need more teachers. More teachers cost more money. Since we don't want to pay more money, can't you just get by with what you have and still make the classes smaller? No. As a parent, I remember when we went from a one-child family to two. Yes, it was double the work, but since there were two adults, we each had a hand to hold when we crossed the street. Now, go from two-child family to three, and things get a little tricky. Someone doesn't have a parent's hand to hold, and it costs more money to go to Disney World. It costs more money to ride an airplane, go to a restaurant, go to the movies, and now you need a minivan. As parents, we know how more children you have, the more difficult life is to manage. Can you imagine taking care of hundreds of other people's children every day? Size does matter. How can it not? Which classroom do you want your child in? The one where she has a hand to hold, or the one where she doesn't? Just food for thought. This is Vicki Caruana.